The new Model Y Juniper cabin is incredibly clean. But these stock stalks? So I upgraded to a real dry carbon fiber stock cover. This is 100% pre-preg dry carbon. It's ultralight, paper thin, and completely matte. Because there's zero heavy resin layer, it adds almost no weight and barely any thickness to the OEM stock. Installation takes just 2 steps, align and press. Look at the profile. It wraps perfectly flush. Zero awkward bulges. The click action is still crisp. No mushiness at all. Tactile feedback is 100% retained. It acts as a sacrificial layer to protect your stock part from daily wear. If you want that OEM plus aesthetic, keep your factory stock scratch-free for resale. This is a no-brainer. Links in the description below. Let me know. Carbon stocks or keep it stock? Drive safe. And I'll see you in the next one.